Hey guys, it's Marco here with Fully Loaded Cars and welcome back to our channel. I thought I'd give you a quick update on the SLC Retromod that we've been doing. Now the CLS chassis is now mounted to the SLC body, so we've got a complete car now. And also we finished the doors and we finished the wings. Both wings have been extended by 6 centimeters. Doors also been extended by 6 centimeters in and out. This section here, we've made this section here. That ridge will incorporate the door panel and the door sill, so we don't get any leaks. So that's all done. Swage lines are perfectly straight. Sills are perfectly straight. So the body's pretty much done now. Now what we're going to do, we're going to move on to the outer arches. Now this car is based on a 80s race car. The client wants us to replicate the arches of that car. So that's what we're doing now. We made a jig so we can get the wheel arches perfect, so they're all the same. So we've got 4 of these made up. And what we're going to do is we make the outer lid first, and then we'll fill it in with different sections to get that contour. We haven't got the tooling to make it in one piece, so we'll have to make it in separate pieces and then weld it all together, and then once it's on the vehicle we'll let it all in place so it's all perfect. So yeah, we're starting on this. Also we've got our test bumper. This is not the bumper that we're going to use for this project. We're just going to use it for measurements and for test fitting. So we'll actually make our own bumper. So yeah, that'll be upcoming in the following video. So yeah, keep tuned.